fam, it's me, Gracia, and I'm back for another vlog. So for today's video, we will making 20 facts about me para mas lalo niyo pa akong makilala as we take this YouTube journey. Number 1 fact. My real name is Erica Grace A. Ocampo. Ginagamit ko lang yung Gracia as my screen name. And Gracia is came from my second name, which is Grace. Second fact about me, 19 pa lang po ako, turning 20. Third fact, my birthday is May 24, 2000. Fourth fact about me, wala po akong kapatid. Mag-isa ko lang pong anak, only daughter, kaya strict kong parents. Fifth fact about me, I am a culinary student at University of Baguio and I am graduating. Sixth fact about me is I can play guitar. Seventh fact about me is I can sing. Spirit light around my trousers without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith would be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Eighth fact about me is I am a Christian. I was raised and born in a Christian family. Ninth fact about me is I am part of our worship team. Tenth fact about me is that I wrote poems like poetry or mga songs, and one of the latest writings that I wrote is entitled Kanta. Saan na ba tayo nadako at mukhang naligaw na tayo? Nung unay para tayong isang kanta na napakaganda sa simula, nakasama ang salita na binabanggit sa bawat nota. Tila ba tayong musika na piniling likha? Ako ang tagasulat at ikaw ang tagaulat. Saya lang naman ang gusto, bakit humantong sa ganito? Tama pa bang tayo'y nagtagpo at pinagsama sa isang pagmamahalan? Lumaban at ngayon nagpapangayan. Pasensya na kung yan ang iyong nadarama sa mga piling pagkakataon tayo'y nagsasagutan at nagtatalo na. Ayaw ko na dumating tayo sa puntong kinakapos na tayo ng hininga at maging awitin na hindi na buo dahil tayo ay sintonado. 11th fact about me, maliit lang po akong tao, my height is 5'2". 12th fact about me, I am part of the volleyball team when I was high school. 13th fact about me is I can eat a lot. Hindi niyo mapapansin sa katawan ko, but every meal, it's either thrice or 4 na beses akong kukuha ng kanin. 14th fact about me is 70% of me ay laging tulog. Tulog is life. 15th fact about me, hindi ganon kahaba yung pasensya ko. Mabilis akong magalit, mabilis akong mainis, mabilis akong mairita. But 16th fact about me, mga after 1 minute or ilang seconds, okay na ako ulit. Ganun lang ako makapag-move on sa mga nangyayari. And 17th fact about me, I am a sensitive person. Siguro onting word lang na hindi magandang narinig ko, parang feeling ko pasan ko na yung daigdig. 18th fact about me is humihilik ako habang natutulog. 19th fact about me, kaya kong kumain ng 5 balot sa isang kainan. And 20 fact about me is I'm just a simple woman na may simpleng pangarap at simpleng pamumuhay. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short video that I've made. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the notification bell so you will be updated on my next YouTube videos. Always remember that you are blessed. May the love and grace of the Lord be with you always.